Institutions are offering services to people who fear they may be targeted by Border Patrol or ICE. Well, today, free documentation services were provided at the Mexican consulate. Professionals there say people felt that they were at risk of detainment if they showed up. Our Winston Reed has more details.
When civil law notary Sarah Manowitz sent out this Facebook post announcing her partnership with the Mexican consulate in New Orleans to offer her services for free, she was hoping for a long line Saturday. However, that was not the case.
It's been much more sparse than we expected. However, we attribute that to fear.
The fear, according to Manowitz, stems from reports of heightened federal immigration enforcement in the city. The U.S. Customs and Border Patrol is expected to launch an operation in New Orleans with roughly 200 agents, according to CBS News.
President Trump has been very clear from the time that he came into office that he was going to secure our border, stop the invasion that was happening under the Biden administration, and make sure that we were deporting and bringing to justice illegal criminal aliens that were in this country perpetuating violence on these communities.
We served a family that likely not be returning to another one of these notarial events because they're afraid of being out in public. So they came to get all of their affairs in order so that they could essentially be laying low.
The services Manowitz offered on Saturday included validating general power of attorney and provisional custody by mandate documents. The former can appoint someone to handle your personal affairs like finances and property. The latter transfers legal custody of children.
Sadly, the legal effect of these documents really comes into play after someone may be taken into detention. So a provisional custody by mandate would essentially give someone else the power to make decisions and parent your child.
Justin Lightsey, a bilingual law student, volunteered as an interpreter at the consulate. For families who did show Saturday, he explains their main concerns and why receiving these services were important.
They just want to make sure that their family arrangements are secure and that they're protected and safe.
Reporting in New Orleans, Winston Reed, WWL, Louisiana.